మురళి చెప్తారా సార్?
5112
మురళి సార్ హిమాయత్ నగర్ చూపిస్తుంది అదే కదా సార్? హిమాయత్ నగర్ చూపిస్తుంది.
అవునండి.
ఓకే సార్. మీరు కంఫర్టబుల్ సార్?
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
కూల్ సార్. వేర్ డూ యూ వర్క్ సార్, ఇఫ్ ఐ మై ఆస్క్? సారీ.
I'm a professor in Nalsar University of Law.
Wow, yesterday also I met a law teacher, I mean a professor, and he was teaching taxation at ICFI. He was a legal professional and very young to be a lawyer, I mean a legal professional. Of course, like adi kuda oka stupid thought hai, how young is too young. But yeah, but your voice has a different vibration, I mean like it's like vibing. What do you teach sir, what is your specialization?
Criminal law.
Oh sir, as a professor you teach law kada sir, criminal law, but do you even practice, I mean as a lawyer?
Yes, I'm going to that office only now.
Okay.
I run a program called Access to Justice for Prisoners.
Okay, so are we going to prison now? No? Office.
To the office.
Mm-hmm.
I have a team of advocates and social workers,
Ji sir.
10 people.
Yeah.
And every alternative week we visit 3 prisons in Hyderabad.
Which prison sir, anything specific?
Chalgoda, Charlapalli.
Uh-huh.
We have 3 prisons in Hyderabad.
And sir, are these programs directed towards like something like rehabilitation or something like that, మారడానికి help చేయడానికి, or is it like normal something else? I don't understand.
When would you say somebody has changed?
When their behavior has changed or perspective has changed, attitude has changed. కాదా సార్?
Did you see anyone?
అవును, మనం కూడా మనుషులము. Maybe we had a perspective towards something or attitude towards something and it changed eventually after seeing something, after hearing something.
No, those are all bits and pieces.
Uh-huh.
But, on the whole, see, you have a colleague who is with a lot of problems.
Ji.
When do you say he has changed? There is nothing like that.
ఓకే, అంటే మనుషులు ఎప్పుడు మారారంటారు? జీ సార్.
Nothing like once and for all angels. There is nothing like once and for all criminals.
సాలిడ్ పాయింట్ సార్.
Others are simultaneously have problems as well as they are capable of being generous.
Yeah.
They are capable of being mean.
Yeah.
Kada?
Yeah sir, we are all like that.
So there's nothing like that. What we do is,
Yeah sir.
see, this guy is let us suppose that he has stolen a cell phone
Yeah sir.
worth 10,000.
Yeah.
Court gives him bail for 20,000
Yeah.
and his lawyer asks for 40,000.
Yeah.
If he has that much of money, why would he steal?
Point. Yeah.
So we support that kind of business.
Acha.
So our lawyers, and I mean, even after getting a bail, lawyer will not release the order. He will
Okay.
keep it himself until his bail.
Sir, shall I take from below?
Left.
Yeah sir, sorry. You're saying something.
So he will not release the order until his fee is paid.
Yeah.
Police will take money.
Oh.
So now you tell me who are the criminals?
Now that we need to dig down at the scenario and think about things. But
No,
yeah,
I'm
that's the
saying
reality.
He has stolen for 10,000 worth of cell phone.
Yeah, and he has spent so much.
Police now ask for 10,000 bribe.
No.
Lawyer asks for 40,000 fee.
Yeah.
Court clerk asks for 2,000 for releasing order. Judge also will take some time. On the basis of one criminal, so many criminals are living.
Yeah.
So things are much more complex.
How do you look at life, sir? I mean, with such a perspective, మనం ఏదైనా సినారియోలో ఉన్నప్పుడు like does it help sir, like learning about law?
Lot.
గుడ్ అండ్ బ్యాడ్ డెఫినేషన్స్ కూడా చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయేమో కదా సార్, లేదా రైట్ అండ్ రాంగ్ డెఫినేషన్? సరే, రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఓకే.
Not within law.
Yeah.
See, you get to see mostly criminal profession courts are very unethical. highly unethical. But if you are good, you can also provide a lot of relief to the people.
Yeah.
See, there are no angels or there are no criminals. There are only weak and the powerful. We support the weak.
That's a good cause, sir. And I think you are making some super points. Like, nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
I mean, like, one reason I do it is also, I mean, first thing, I have some financial issues. That's also why I'm doing it. But otherwise, I love meeting people, and yeah, that is
Yeah,
also
you come across.
different people, different perspectives. So that is also the fun part. What I'm doing in this, why I'm doing this. సో ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్స్కి ఎంబీ అందరు కామన్ ఉంటుంది, దాని తర్వాత పీజీకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు దే గెట్ ఇన్ టు స్పెషలైజేషన్. అట్లా లాయర్స్కి కూడా ఉంటుందా సార్?
చాలా.
అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎల్ఎల్బి అందరు కామన్ ఉంటుందేమో, దాని తర్వాత స్పెషలైజేషన్కి వెళ్తారా సార్? I was telling the sir yesterday, the professor yesterday, that I always felt that it is a very nice profession to be in law. I mean, of course, there are pros and cons to it, but yeah, at least I felt ki like చదువుకున్న తర్వాత అరే లా చేయాల్సిందని ఒక ఫీలింగ్ అయితే వచ్చిండ. Sir, do road accidents come under criminal law?
See, there are two things. One, when you cause
Harm.
the person
Passed away?
who faces who is injured or died,
Yeah.
the person could be wrong.
Okay.
Second, the driver could be wrong.
Yeah.
Within driver, there are two things. One is negligence,
Yeah.
which is called actually criminal negligence.
ఎట్లా పోయింది సార్ అసలు? యా సార్.
Second thing is criminal negligence. There is third one, culpable homicide not amounting to murder. That is, your intention caused someday, but it was not intended to kill somebody.
Okay.
That will attract much less punishment than. See, you go and hit wantonly. Let's
Yeah.
suppose right side somebody is standing.
Yeah.
You drive your vehicle over to him straight away.
Yeah.
That is considered as
Culpable homicide.
homicide amounting to murder.
సార్ కల్పబుల్ అన్న పదానికి మీనింగ్ ఏంది సార్? కావాల్సుకొని చేసినాం మనం.
Criminal అనే.
ఓకే. హోమిసైడ్ అంటే సార్?
Homicide అంటే మర్డరింగ్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్.
అచ్చా. ఓకే
సైడ్
ఓకే.
అంటే కిల్ అని,
ఆహా.
హోమ్ అంటే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్.
అచ్చా అచ్చా. మనిషిని చంపాడు.
సో ఇంటెన్షన్స్ చూస్తారు. మిటిగేటింగ్ సర్కమ్స్టెన్సెస్ కొన్ని ఉంటాయి.
ఓకే.
అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎవరైనా-
తగ్గించడానికి ఏమేం చేసాము?
మీరే
అంటే హౌ టు అవాయిడ్ అనేది డ్రైవర్ ఏమైనా చేశాడా లేదా?
ఫర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ రీజన్
జీ.
యూ హిట్ సంబడి,
యా.
ఇఫ్ యూ ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ టేక్ దట్ పర్సన్ టు హాస్పిటల్
అవును.
అండ్ ట్రై టు సేవ్ హిస్ లైఫ్,
యా.
the consequences of an accident will be much less.
Okay.
So that will be considered as you never had any intention of harming that person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even because of failure of brake also, let us suppose it happens.
Yeah.
Then also if you take that person and call, basically you should not run away from that.
Ambulance and all, like take care.
Ambulance and now go to hospital,
Yeah.
sign it, and some initial. You do everything within your power to
Save
support
the person. Yeah.
Support the person.
Support the person.
Saving is not completely in our hand. Support.
అవును సార్.
See, take the phone number of his parents, family. Those things will absolutely work in our favor. Okay.
Yeah.
Whether your reaction is to save your skin or to save the life of the person who is injured.
That will decide the intent.
That will, intent.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing.
Done. So hit and run ఎప్పుడు చేయొద్దు.
Run is a very serious issue.
ఆహా.
Even if it is unintended.
Okay.
If you run away,
అవును.
it will be read differently.
Okay. It will be said that the person had the intent to kill. బట్ అక్కడ
not kill.
Yeah.
I mean, the person interpreting your action will not have any reason to think in favor of you.
అచ్చా.
Okay, fortunate, unfortunate, something has happened,
Yeah.
but you did not try to help the person.
Yeah.
So therefore, he doesn't see any reason why he should interpret the law in your favor.
అచ్చా. అయ్యో, మనం వింటుంటేనే మనకి ఇట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది పాపం.
No, see, no. See, especially human nature.
Yeah.
Basically, they want to. So that fellow doesn't have any
Emotional
or sympathy about I lost my wife, had a great relation. That would change the mind of the judge. But if you are saying that, talking as if you are responsible for death of some third person,
Yeah.
even this guy will also become little indifferent. It's okay, let him go to hell.
So these things matter.
A lot.
So sir, if we go to the prison and help them, how do we get paid, sir? అంటే గవర్నమెంట్ పే చేస్తారు మనకి, లేదా ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ మై ప్యాషన్ దట్ ఐఎమ్ హెల్పింగ్ దెమ్ అన్నట్టు?
This is an area where the beneficiaries will never be able to pay you anything because nobody wants us to work in this area.
Okay, so this is a non-profit thing.
Not just a non-profit. It's also uninvited work.
అమ్మా, అయితే మీరు చాలా రెసిస్టెన్స్ కూడా చూస్తారేమో.
A lot.
ఎందుకు సార్ మీకు వదిలేయండి కదా అన్న ఫీలింగ్లో చూస్తారేమో.
Oh, I gave up also once.
ఆహా.
I worked full time for 8 years and then gave up for 2 years.
Okay.
Then went to Mumbai and taught there and again came back and there also I did the same work. So working with the criminal justice system is a lot of resistance. People hate you.
బా.
Not people. Lawyers will hate you, prison officers will hate you, police will hate you.
ఎందుకు సార్ మీకు అన్నట్టు?
They are making money, no, out of that.
అచ్చా. But great, sir. I mean, like, then what is the motivation, sir? అంటే
The weak will always lose.
ఓహో, so this is completely war against the weak, I mean the powerful, or at least like supporting the weak people.
For survival.
Ba. Kudos to all the work.
Access to justice program.
అంటే we are giving access to justice to people.
Access to justice program. Please see our website.
Uh-huh.
We have just started.
Uh-huh.
So in the past 1.5 years, we supported some 800 prisoners.
Oh.
I'm a full-time employee of the university.
Okay.
Professor. But Azim Premji Foundation
Ji.
supports financially to
This cause.
hire lawyers,
Okay.
hire social workers. So we reached out to 800 prisoners and we got bails for some 200 people. Some 60 children we could release them.
Okay.
Some 130 adults we could release. And we connect them with their families.
Wow, sir.
So, I mean, I have amazing social workers, women.
Uh-huh.
They go to Bhavangiri and open a bank account for the mother of the child
Okay.
and pay 5,000 surety and deposit in the court. What people say, come tomorrow, day after. They will
No.
delay for 2 days, 3 days, 4
చెప్తానే
days,
ఉంటారు వాళ్ళు.
1 week also. No, that is delay is only just to make money.
Yeah.
But my social worker yesterday, she went from here to Bhavangiri, Yadagiri Gutta in the morning,
Yeah.
9 o'clock, and argued with the bank, opened a zero account, paid the money, taken the draft, went and gave it to the their local court. He insisted him to clear the order. Taken it, came to Hyderabad, went to Old City, Nimboli Adda. That Old City near Chenjalgoda.
Uh-huh.
Along with mother, she got the guy released night 9 o'clock.
So you feel satisfied after doing all of this, sir? I mean, like, does it give satisfaction? I think that's the reason you're doing it.
Absolutely.
And I have a million. Yeah. అవును సార్, అది కూడా ఒక లేడీ అంత కష్టపడ్డారంటే ఆ పోరుడికేనా సార్, ఆ అబ్బాయికి? గ్రేట్ సార్ అసలు. అట్లీస్ట్ మనం వీడియోలో పెడితే అవును ఇట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారని అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవరికైనా తెలిస్తే పాపం వాడు వచ్చి మీతో కనెక్ట్ అయితే ఇట్ విల్ బీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ కదా సార్. అట్లా ఆలోచిస్తున్నా, ఇంకేం లేదు. We also do a lot of NGO work, sir. We have a NGO. It's called Team Care and Share Foundation అన్నమాట. సో మేము రోడ్ సైడ్ అన్నం పెట్టడం ఇవన్నీ చేస్తుంటాము. అండ్ లైక్ we are tied up with some of the NGOs. So we go to them, we feed them, we do this kind of work, like అలాగ అన్నం పెట్టడం, blood donation camps.
I do believe that's very important,
Yeah.
because see, hunger is unparalleled suffering.
అంతే కదా సార్, ఫస్ట్ బతుకుండాలి ఏమైనా చేయాలంటే.
Yeah. No, you remain sane and balanced only
Yeah.
when your basic needs are met.
Sir, very valid point, sir. అసలు సాలిడ్ పాయింట్ యూ మేడ్ సార్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ టైం. ఫస్ట్ కడుపు అంటే కొన్ని బేసిక్ నీడ్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితేనే దాని తర్వాత మనిషి కెన్ థింక్ అబౌట్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్.
Absolutely.
బట్ లవ్లీ మీటింగ్ యూ సార్. యూ హ్యావ్ అ గ్రేట్ డే.